Hello, future year 12s. My name is Miss Keogh and I am a art teacher at Haverstock School. I am here to introduce the photography project that we are going to be running as part of the One Step Ahead programme. I'd love to see as many of you involved as possible. It simply involves around taking 10 pictures per week. Each week we're going to have a different theme, and this week the theme is light. So, how are you going to interpret the word light? Well, that's totally your choice. But what I would do first is I would start to think about generating some ideas. So, what is it that you can actually take pictures of? Then, once you've generated some ideas, you can watch the video that I've included. That's going to give you some tips on how to shoot on your phone. And then step 3 is to look at inspiration. And then step 4, I want you to go out and be taking some pictures. So, light. Light is quite an important part of photography. It literally revolves around light entering your phone, entering the camera, and that's how you create an image. What can you think of that links to light? So I did this and I thought about things like reflections, contrast, sunset, sunrise. Does that link to weather and time of day? You've got shadows as well, maybe the opposite of light. Thinking about viewpoint, what angle are you going to take the picture at? How is your viewpoint, your way of looking at the world different maybe to someone else's? How can you represent that in a photograph? You've also got the idea of the physical link to the word light. So something could be floating. If an object is light, then it's going to float. So, as well, I also Google. Words are maybe not my strongest point being an art teacher, so I use Google and often look up the definitions of words to think about their meaning. This can also spark my ideas, give me some inspiration. So you've got things like sight, so that could link to light. What could you photograph that links to the word sight? A glimmer of light entered someone's eyes, so it could be an expression, mood. You've also got links to the actual colour of something being light. So there's lots of different ways that you can interpret this. Then I'm just going to show you what you can do on your phones. I've got an iPhone, but I'm pretty sure you can do this on different makes and models. As you can see from the video, you can click on the area that you want to be in focus and then using your finger either go up or down to make it brighter or darker. You might want to make it brighter to think about shape and colour a bit more, make it more abstract, or you might want to make it darker to make something more dramatic. Again, these are kind of creative ways that you can experiment and easily done on your mobile phone as well. And you've got 2 images there of things that I have photographed exploring light within my own home. I am going to be doing the project with you, so I have taken 10 pictures throughout the course of this week, all linking to light. We're obviously limited at the moment with what we can actually photograph, so this is just things that I've photographed on my daily walks and around my house. So, inspiration is everywhere. You could also look at famous artists. So we've got Man Ray, Joseph Sudek, using objects. So this is a door handle that someone's then photographed and then flipped upside down. You've got the idea of looking out from inside. Again, we're all kind of stuck in at the moment. How could you photograph or how could you respond to that idea of light within the home? How might weather play into this? You've also got the idea of reflections, so using window panes and glass to experiment with how light is portrayed. And then obviously you've got time of day, using yourself possibly, people that you're living with, social distance walks maybe with one other person, linking to the idea of reflection and light. So you have got 1 week, 10 photographs, Please upload your images via the One Step Ahead section on the website, and also have a look at the @HS Art Room Instagram for some inspiration. Happy photographing. Thank you.